In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Ads account's time zone. This is a simple yet crucial task for managing your advertisements effectively, ensuring that your campaigns are running according to your intended schedule. Whether you're a new marketer or a seasoned professional, understanding how to navigate and verify your account settings can save you from potential mishaps related to timing. Let's begin by opening your web browser of choice. You'll want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, log into your Google Ads account if you haven't already. It's essential to ensure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you're managing multiple accounts for different clients or businesses. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Overview page. This page provides a broad glance at your account's performance, but what we're interested in today lies within the account settings. Now, on the left-hand side, or sometimes at the top right corner, depending on layout updates, look for the Admin option. The interface of Google Ads gets occasional refreshes, so the exact location might vary slightly. However, Admin should be reasonably easy to find with a brief hover or click around the mentioned areas. Hovering over or clicking on Admin will bring up a menu with multiple options. From here, you want to locate and click on Account Settings. This action directs you to a new page where you'll have access to various settings related to your Google Ads account, including preferences, user access, and notification settings, among others. But there's one specific setting we're here to check: your account's time zone. Within the Account Settings page, scan for the section or label named Time Zone. It's here where Google Ads displays the current time zone setting for your account. This particular setting is crucial because it determines the timing for your ad campaign's starts and ends, billing cycles, and data reporting. It's set based on the geographical location you chose when you first set up your Google Ads account, and typically can't be changed without contacting Google support. That's why it's important to be aware of this setting to avoid any confusion regarding campaign performance or billing issues. As you're checking your time zone, take a moment to reflect on its implications. If you're managing campaigns across different time zones, remember that the timing of your ads display to potential customers will be affected by this setting. Therefore, it helps to be mindful and plan accordingly to ensure optimal visibility and effectiveness of your advertisements. In conclusion, though it seems like a small detail, understanding and verifying your Google Ads account's time zone is a step that should not be overlooked. It ensures that your campaigns run as smoothly as planned across different regions, aligning with your marketing strategies and goals. Remember, if for some reason you need to adjust your time zone setting, you may need to reach out to Google Ads support for assistance. That's all for today's tutorial on how to check your Google Ads time zone. This instructional guide aimed to help you navigate your account settings with ease. We hope you found these steps straightforward and helpful. Keep tuning into our channel for more guides, tips, and tricks to manage your Google Ads account more effectively. Stay savvy, and see you in the next video.